Australians, oh let us rejoice, for we are young and free.
That's cool. What are we going to call this cop police murder movie?
Must enjoy the sun.
I eat a really hot chili pepper and then I just burn to death. I drown in the farmer's dam. I drown in the farmer's mud pile. I drown inside a bore. I cut him open and I think I can swim in it because it's a big bore, but I just get stuck.
The Chivalry 9000 portable missile launcher. At a rate of 100 shots per second, the Chivalry 9000 targets only women with its ovary-guided high-explosive nano-harpoons.
Goebbels was a ladies' man, he knew what to say. Goebbels was a ladies' man, he knew how to get laid. By the Führer, by the Führer.
We're so sorry, skeletons, you're so misunderstood.
What's the matter?
I strictly only drink European beer.
I'm a what beer?
The gig's up.
I will flash him out using the bomb. Fire the bomb! Fire!
You'll never get the princess, foul beast.
Oh, yes, I will. And then I'll give the princess a kiss.
Over my rotten corpse!
On your horse.
Oh, fuck. Oh, Jesus.
Fuck movies.
But thanks.
I hate movies. I hate films. Fuck them. Burn them in a fire.
Thanks.
Good night, everybody.
Hey, Johnny!
Oh dear, now I am no longer by myself and therefore cannot enjoy this delicious beer. Hey Johnny, did you just bludgeon Dion to death? Why yes, I suppose I must have.
Yeah, definitely didn't kill him. Pardon me? Killing people. No. Yeah, I guess so.
I don't know if you're interested, but I've got this bag of old clothes. You piece of shit.
Pardon?
Just take the clothes.
I can do celebrity impressions with my farts that are better than the pieces of crap that you make, you piece of shit.
And my next item is an antique from antique items I bought from a seller in Botswana. These are antique Nescafe tins for you instant coffee lovers out there. Instant.
Hi, I'm Johnny Seagull and welcome to Johnny Seagull's Video Movie House Motel. This is your one-stop shop if you want to look at funny things, funny sketches, funny things with funny boys.
And what they found out was that poor Mr. Dog didn't actually have an addiction to TV. He was in fact dead.
Weird one. Remember, boys, crying makes you a little
Pussy.
Slag roll,
Saucy, 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 saucy.
I've been thinking a lot lately about opening a shelter for dead children.
What would be the point of that?
Well, everybody's making shelters for sick and dying children, the spoiled little shits, but nobody's thinking about the dead ones.
I too, you see, am also a spaceman! But I am an evil spaceman! And I will appropriate these Fruit Loops for myself!
I'll just have a beer then. Sippy, sippy, tasty beer for my belly tum.
I start World War III with, I don't know, Hawaii. I start World War III with Hawaii, just Hawaii, and I get killed in the front line because it's not World War III. It's just I'm taking a gun to Hawaii.
Oh no, it's a big poo. Oh no, he's stealing me hair.
That isn't a beard. That's a hairy spook monster from the planet Creepy. A deadly parasite capable of sucking out a man's bones through his mouth.
Now the first step, we're going to have to cut open the roll. So let's do that. You start at the top of the roll and just work your way down to the...
Are you okay?
Hi,
911! Stranger danger! There's stranger danger at Johnny's house! Citizens arrest! Citizens arrest! Citizens arrest!
Yes!
Yep, I was witness to the whole thing. Johnny clearly paid for a base level wristy, and Johnny did not honour the transaction. You'd best be putting out, Johnny.
Oh my... my guts! My guts!
Wow, guys, really incredible result. Make sure you tune in next time when we drop 2 Samsung Galaxy Note 7s on the imperial cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki.
Green ants?
Oh, when you trip
Yeah,
down.
green ants the size of people.
When you just...
Like green ants the size of people because there was a green ants next to the Fukushima nuclear power plant. And then when it blew up, all the workers and the green ants, they like melded together and they made like mutant green ant men.
I have compulsion to kill. My favorite anime is Burke's Backyard.
Yum, Christmas.
G'day, Jimbo.
What?
What are you doing?
I'm ruining your Christmas, Johnny! Ah!